What's up, Eas? So we want to give a big shout out to everybody who came to our spring workshops. It was awesome, especially our guest instructors from all over the valley, from ASU to GCU. We had our very own Matt Hay. It's a great time. So thank you again, guest instructors and students who came and made it a great day. All right, last thing, if you have any questions about anything, message us on Facebook. That's where we respond the fastest. So get us on there and be checking your inbox this week for your Eas News Flash, which is now also on our website in case you missed it. As always, if you're looking for a church home, we'd love to invite you to City of Grace at any one of our 3 campuses this weekend. We'd love to see you there.